Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm Franz Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. And today it's a fun card using the delightful attack topper. Somebody in the team, Kathy Miller used that, and I thought, where is that framelit? Well, it's not a die, or it is the punch. So I done this one here with Christmas Rose stamp set. I don't know if this stamp set's going to be still available by the time the video is going to go live, because this stamp set, it's very limited. So I decided to use the Magnolia Bloom, and very versatile. So let's get started. I got a piece of cardstock. This is the Shimmer White 1 7/8 by 4 5/8. I want to say, 1 minute, measure twice. It is 4 5/8. So again, it's 1 7/8 by 4 5/8. The tag topper, the delightful tag topper, it's increment of 1/4 inch. I didn't want 1/4 inch different. I wanted 1/8. I just wanted a tiny border. So we're going to open our punch here, and we're going to punch that. So I just try, because you know it's not centered there and there, because I'm off the side by purpose, because I didn't want a big border. So I just aligned that there the best that I can. Punch that there, flip this around, and do that again. So it matched enough for me. Now this one, we're going to fit perfect. It is 2 by 4 3/4. So we're going to push that right there. See, it fit right in the tray there. Punch, and do that again the other way. Punch. So now we get what I thought was a die, that it's not a die, it's the punch. Now to do the stamping, we're going to do that very simple. I got my petal in pink for the stamp set, for the ink, and I'm using the writing from Very Versatile, and I'm going to smack that about right here. Et voila. Now for the leaf, gonna go in the black. I'm trying to keep it very soft, or something different, put it that way. So now I need my this is the from Magnolia Bloom, and I will have all the link on my blog to purchase that. Just click below in the link. This is going to be stamp partial. I don't know if it's going to be halfway. I shouldn't say halfway. I'm going to do it partial, and I'm going to stamp that right here. Give a good impression. Et voila. And then I'm going to take my leaves, and we're going to put that right here. And then right here. Et voila. Or maybe even a little bit more right here. Voila. Now it's pretty much done. I'm going to take this. We're going to mount that on this. Like so, the hole won't match exactly, because you know we were 1/8 of an inch different. Like this. Oh, 1 second. I'm sorry about that. Here we go. Now I use the stripe folder. The new one, it's very soft. It don't go as deep as the other one, so you keep that very soft. Now we're gonna mount that, and I won't put the Happy Birthday in the front in this one. It's gonna go inside, because I wanted to try that folder, and I absolutely love it. Love it. So if you got the old folder, or you didn't purchase the folder because it was going too deep and almost ripped the paper at time, this new one by Stampin' Up, it is wicked cool. Very, very soft. I'm going to put that right here. Now, to cover my O's, I will use the Petal Pink little gem here. So I'm going to, where would be my, maybe this. Put that right here. Cover my hole. So now you can see why I was confused. I thought it was a die, right? It really looked like a die, but it's the punch. How wicked cool is that? So, Auntie, thank you so much for sharing with us. It was a different fold she had, but this, I absolutely love this. And then the Magnolia here, I pre-stamp and I color with the blends. Just very simple, just a little coloring. We're going to use dimensional. Well, I had dimensional right here. I absolutely love this look. Okay, we're going to put 2-dimensional. So you know our flower, it's offset. Well, offset because you know it's just partial, so it's going to go off. So let's see. Okay, this right here, and I didn't cut the leaf, so it's just the flower. And you know what, I'm gonna take my wink of Stella and put that just in the center here, and it's soft suede in the center. I didn't put yellow, I put soft suede here. Voila. Now I use the Duet punch, where it's the, and then I need black. I should have had that done. So let me pull a scrappy black here. Right here, I got a scrappy black. And I'm going to use 3 butterflies. So 1, 2, and 3. And what I done with my butterfly, I use my wink of Stella. And I know in the camera it don't do justice. But trust me, it's like a silver tone to it now that is just wicked cool. I mean, it's very lovely. It's just at that bling without having the bling. Put it that way. Now this, I just fold them in 2. And I use glue dots. And I'm going to put one right here. They're still damp, you know, I should let them dry, but, and we're going to put one, about here, and then the other one. And then inside, I didn't bring a Whisper White for my base, so it's going to be, the base is going to be Whisper White. Here we go. How pretty is that? And then it's like this. This one was the subtle for the embossing. So my birthday going to go inside and it's going to go on the white. Voila. Hope you enjoyed this. Again, that's the Delightful Tag Topper Punch. Ain't not a die, but it's the Delightful Tag Topper Punch. And again, all the measurement, all the supplies would be listed on my blog. Right below, you can click on the link and you can shop 24/7 all in the US. Thank you and happy stamping, my friend. Bye-bye for now.